Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel Facts and Biography. Today we'll talk about the Korean couple Chang Wook and Hyun eat seaside and enjoying the swimming. So watch the video till the end. If you heard, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So start our video. Suspicious partner is Chang Wook, first romantic comedy drama in which he asked alongside Hyun, who prototyped Hyun Bong-hai. The drama becomes a hallmark of his stable acting skills. Chang Wook, who has always been a strong character, turned out to a gentle person in this drama. If you see the scenes in which the main characters have, especially in the first kiss scenes where no Chang Wook and Hyun Bin-hai crucial situation, the evidence will be in proceed expressed their love, their emotional and chemistry made the scene a hot type among fans. Chang Wook held an interview at a restaurant in Seoul on July 18. After completing the drama, he said, "Suspicious partner is a meaningful work for this is my first romantic comedy and it is my final work before entering military service. I feel happy and sad at the same time." So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next video. Take care. Bye bye.